Hello, my dear children. Welcome to your maths class. And today we will be learning numbers from 0 to 50. So, already we have learned numbers till 20 in the previous chapters. Now we are going to move further and learn up to number 50. First, let's do this fun activity which I love to do. And this is joining the dots and see what does it become. We'll start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Wow, it's a beautiful fish. Okay, so let's read the numbers from 21 to 50. Already the place values are given, ones and tens. We have learned these place values, ones and tens in the previous chapter. So we are going to read like this only. 21. So you already know the spelling of 20 and you already know the spelling of 1. So 20 and 1 together are called 21. Then 22, 23. We have already done the spellings of 20 and 3. So you just have to revise it. 24. 25, 25, 25. 26, 2, 6, 26. 27, 2, 7, 27. 28, 2, 8, 28. 29, 2, 9, 29. And 30, that means 3, 0, 30. 2, 1, 21, 2, 2, 22. 2, 3, 23, 2, 4, 24 and so on. So, if you want to speak it in expanded form, how will we say? 2 tens and 1 ones. Remember, I told you first we will speak the numeral and then we will speak its place value in the expanded form. Then 30. The spelling of 30 is THIRTY. 30. It's not 3T. 3 करके T नहीं लिखना. It's wrong. It's 30, just similar as 13. 13 में लास्ट में डबल ई एन आता है. इसमें बस TY आता है. Right? 3, 1, 31. 3, 2, 32. 3, 3, 33. 3, 4, 34. 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37, 3, 8, 38, 3, 9, 39 and 4, 0, 40. Now, अब इसके अंदर देखने वाली बात ये है कि जब हम 14 लिखते थे तो हम पूरा 4 लिख के 3 लिखते थे, राइट? बट जब हम 40 लिख रहे हैं तो हम 4T नहीं लिखेंगे. वी विल राइट 40. यू हट जाएगा. इट विल बी 40. अगर आपने 4T लिख दिया तो इट्स रॉन्ग. इट्स 40. Okay. Now we know the spelling of 40. 4, 1, 41. Or in the expanded form, how will we say? 4 tens, 1 ones. 4, 2, 42. 4, 3, 43. 4, 4, 44. 4, 5, 45. 4, 6, 46. 4, 7, 47. 4, 8, 48. 4, 9, 49. 5, 0, 50. So 15 में भी FIF आता है, 50 में भी FIF आता है, correct? Okay, again there is a fun puzzle. We are going to write the missing numbers in the caterpillar. So it is starting from 31. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, now we have to count the number of objects and match them with their correct numbers. I told you how to correctly count the numbers. हम ऐसे randomly ऐसे 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 count करेंगे तो we will lose our count. So we will count the objects very orderly in order and keep on marking the object which we already have counted. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Where is number 18? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. This is so much fun. Counting all the objects, then matching them. Okay. Now, what comes after? What is after? We have done this in previous chapter. जो number बाद में आता है, that is after. जो number पहले आता है, that is before number. और जो दो numbers के बीच में missing number होता है, that is in between. What comes after 36? 37, 21, 22, 17, 18, 34, 35, 48, 49, 25, 26, 44, 45, 32, 33. Now what comes before? पहले कौन सा आता है? 50 से पहले 49, 29, 28, 44, 43, 31, 30, 32, 31, 24, 23, 26, 25, 42 and 41. Now what comes in between? दो numbers दिए हुए उनके बीच में in between कौन सा number आता है? 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33, 28, 29, 30, 26, 27, 28, 49, 48, 49, 50, 38, 39, 40, 44, 45, 46, 32, 33 and 34. Now, there are again some of the fun games. You have to prepare cards from 0 to 9 and then prepare cards that are twice the length of the single digit numbers and write the multiples of 10 up to 50 on those. Multiples we will cover in the coming chapters and then we can play this game. Meanwhile, what you can do is जो single digit numbers हैं वो आप एक कार्ड पे बनाएंगे और जो double digit number है वो इस कार्ड से ज़्यादा हाइट का होगा, right? Okay. Now, also you can just put some rajma seeds in the pouch. एक राजमा seeds में single digit के जितने seeds होंगे जैसे कि किसी में 7, किसी में 9 और एक और पैकेट में डबल डिजिट के जितने सीड्स होंगे किसी में 31, किसी में 50, किसी में 42 लाइक दैट. ऑलराइट, एंड देन यू कैन आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स कि हर पैकेट पे कितने कितने सीड्स हैं. दे कैन काउंट एंड देन यू कैन प्ले द गेम. नाउ कंपेयरिंग नंबर्स. व्हाट इज कंपेयरिंग नंबर्स? अगेन हमें जब दो नंबर्स गिवन हैं तो हमें उसके अंदर ये देखना है विच नंबर इज बिगर, विच नंबर इज स्मॉलर. जो नंबर स्ट्रिप में 0 के पास है, नियर है, दैट इज स्मॉलर, और जो दूर है दैट इज बिगर नंबर. ऑलराइट, सो द नंबर विच इज नियरर टू 0 ऑन द नंबर स्ट्रिप इज स्मॉलर. So 4 is smaller than 5, 6, 7, 10, 14 and so on. क्योंकि जो 4 है वो नंबर स्ट्रिप में इन सब नंबर से पहले आया है. right? A number which comes before any number on the number strip is smaller, and a number which comes after any number on the number strip is the bigger number. So जो 15 है वो इन सब numbers के बाद में आ रहा है. So it is 15 is bigger than 12, 10, 8, 7 and so on. When both the numbers are two-digit numbers, you have to compare the tens place first. ठीक है? तो जब हमें कंपेयर करना है दो नंबर्स को, सपोजिंगली वी आर कंपेयरिंग 22 एंड 32. 22 में 2 is coming in tens place और 32 में 3 is coming in tens place. तो जो 3 है वो बिग है, इसलिए वो 32 is bigger than 22. We will compare, we will see the tens place first. So let's compare and circle the bigger number. 20 and 1. 20 is bigger because 20 is already two-digit number और number strip में भी 1 पहले आता है और 20 बाद में आता है. In this 22 is bigger, 34 is bigger and 36 is bigger than 3. In this 34 is bigger than 31, 50 is bigger than 6, 19 is bigger than 18, 26 is bigger than 3. Now there are few numbers, the pairs are given and you have to circle the smaller number. 11 is smaller than 26, 17 is smaller than 50, 30 is smaller than 36 and 4 is smaller than 22. 16 is smaller than 26, 12 is smaller than 30, 5 is smaller than 44. A two-digit number has two places, that is tens and ones. We have done this in the previous class. So for example, 34 means पहले हमें न्यूमरल बोलना है 3 और देन इसका प्लेस वैल्यू बोलना है 3 टेंस 4 वंस. 28 में 2 टेंस 8 वंस, राइट? नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द गिवन नंबर्स इन द प्लेसेस ऑफ टेंस एंड वंस. तो जो नंबर है उनको प्रॉपर एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म में उनके प्लेस वैल्यू में लिखना है. 20 2 0 20, 45 4 टेंस 5 वंस 45, 44, 21, 12, 1 tens and 2 ones, 38, 3 tens, 8 ones. Now ascending and descending order. Ascending means छोटे से बड़ा. Descending means बड़े से छोटा, right? When numbers are arranged from smallest to greatest going up, it is called ascending order. Like 26, 27, 34, 43, 48. मतलब ये सबसे छोटा और ये सबसे बड़ा. ठीक है? तो इसीलिए this is ascending order. When numbers are arranged from greatest to smallest, मतलब coming down, it is called descending order. 46, 45, 39, 34, 26. 46 सबसे बड़ा, 26 सबसे छोटा. Let's do these exercises so that you become better equipped with this chapter. You have to arrange the numbers in ascending order. ठीक है? तो अपनी कॉपीज में आप ये ascending order में अरेंज करेंगे. I'm doing this one for you. The smallest number is 21, then 24, then 36, then 48 and then 50. Here 12, 14, 39, 40 and 41. Here 26, 29, 35, 38 and 43. Last one you are going to do it yourself. अरेंज द नंबर इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर, मतलब सबसे बड़े से सबसे छोटा नंबर. इसमें सबसे बड़ा कौन सा है? ए वाले पार्ट में. ए वाले पार्ट में सबसे बड़ा नंबर है 46, देन 28, देन 24, 21 एंड 15. सी पार्ट 36, 26, 20, 16 and 14. Here 50, 40, 30, 26, 29 and 26. Here, you will do it yourself. Now you can work in the group of 4 people and arrange your class fellows in increasing and decreasing order of their roll numbers. तो किसी का roll number 12 है, किसी का 14, किसी का 1, किसी का 10. So you will arrange them in increasing and decreasing order. Now, what are ordinals? Knowing ordinals. I'll tell you one thing. If there is a race happening and there are 10 children running, उनमें से कोई बच्चा है जो फर्स्ट आया होगा, कोई बच्चा है जो सेकंड है, कोई थर्ड है. हम ऐसा तो नहीं बोलते कि अरे रोहन आप 1 आए हो, अरे सोहन आप 5 आए हो. We always say you are first, you are second, you are third, you are fourth, like that we say. So when we say first, second, third, these are called ordinal numbers. So the numbers that tell the position are called ordinal numbers. कि हम अगर एक शेल्फ में कुछ जार्स रखे हैं, हम बोलेंगे मुझे थर्ड नंबर का जार उतार के दे दो. So that third is the position of that jar and that is called ordinal number. हम कभी भी ये नहीं बोलेंगे मुझे 3 वाला जार दे दो, हम बोलेंगे मुझे थर्ड वाला जार दे दो. So those are called ordinals. Sameer was first, Anil was second, and Rajiv was third in the race. Let's do this exercise based on ordinal numbers. You have to match the letters of the alphabets to the ordinals. A is first and the B is second. So what is sixth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So G is sixth, seventh. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Second, first, second, third, first, second, third. C is third. First, fourth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. All right. Now, you have to start from the left and tick the correct picture according to their ordinals. Third, first, second, third. Fifth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Seventh, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Fourth, first, second, third, fourth. Sixth, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now, starting from the left, write the word for the position of the picture marked. Here, fourth picture is marked, so fourth. Here, this picture is marked. Let's count. First, second, third. Third. This picture is marked. First, second. First, second, third, fourth is marked. This one is marked. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. First, we will write 8 and then we will write TH, eighth. Okay. Now, what is same about these two pictures and what is different? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 15 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, what is same about these two pictures is that both are 15, 15 balls. And what is different? In the left picture, the balls are arranged in ascending or the increasing order. In the second picture, balls are arranged in the descending or the decreasing order. So, that's all in this chapter. I hope you have learned a lot about numbers till 50, their place values, how to compare the 2-digit numbers, what are ordinal numbers, and much more. So keep learning, keep revising, and have fun.